In this series of videos, we are going to cover Microsoft Office 2019. Some of these features are available in older versions of Office products, but we will stick with the newest version of Office, which is Office 2019. In this video, I am going to briefly cover some of the topics of each of the coming videos, so that way you can go to whichever one fits you best. I do encourage you to watch all videos. There are intros to Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. The intros are to cover the new File button, tabs in the ribbon, quick access toolbar, and overall it'll give you an idea of how to navigate through each app as we go through the basics and beyond. Then there are basic videos for each. These will cover some of the simplicities to help you better understand the functionality of each application on your way to using them to their fullest potentials and making you a pro in the office or classroom. Next, I will cover some intermediate videos. Intermediate and advanced videos will be a little bit more difficult to create, so I won't have those up as quickly as the intros and basics. What I hope to cover in those will be more strenuous tasks and extra tips to help you accomplish more in each of the applications. At the end of the playlist, I will have a quick video solely on the Office accessibilities basics. I hope to introduce you to ways in which Microsoft helps make it easier for those with disabilities to excel. Not only that, I encourage you to continue learning about that to make it easier for you and others to collaborate on different projects together. A quick note for those of you watching this before the playlist is complete, I will not be uploading all of these videos at once. They will be dropped every few days over the next few weeks, so be sure to stick around for those. Thank you for watching this intro and sticking through it, and I look forward to helping you in the future videos to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.